Hello everyone, it's Amit Pallauri here, and I have chosen File Organizer as my Python project. And as you can see, I have added some junk files here so that I could organize them through the CLI. And yeah, so I have given three constants here, like we can organize it as per the size, as per the alphabet, or and as per the extension name. So let's run the code here. Uh, yeah, it's already open here. Okay, here I need to give the extension or size or alphabet what I'm going to organize with. I'm going to give that, and if even if I don't give any any constants here, it's going to by default organize it by alphabet. So let's see how it's organizing it. Okay, as you can see, all the files have been added to this organized folder, and as you can see, it has been organized by the alphabets. Okay, so now we can also check for other two things. Let me take this thing and delete this one. I need to again add this junk files. Let's add the junk files here. So you have seen the now you have seen the organized by uh, alphabet. Now we're going to see size and extension. Okay, so let's paste the code here, and let's open our CLI, and here I'm going to give ext, and let's wait for their organization. And now you can see, like, I have given a particular file extension name. That's why it's saving the names that I have already mentioned. If I could mention all these things, as you know that there are like tons of extension names. I can't like mention all of them. So yeah, as you can see, all the archives files are here, and all the HTML files are here. Likewise, all the files are organized, and so now the only thing is left is by size, I guess. So let's uh, yeah, in the Python. Okay, so the last attempt to go through the size. Let's see if it's organizing through the sizes or not. Okay, so now we have to give the size, and let's wait for it. And as you can see, the bytes and kilobytes has been pasted here. Okay, I have given some range here, so 0 to 1,000 bytes would be inside the bytes folder, and uh, up to onwards it will save in kilobytes. So yeah, that's the whole project, and yeah, thank you guys.